Do some tricks. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're driving the RC car today. Seth, let me drive it. Record. Just keep the camera on the RC. Let's do some tricks. Move! Get out the road. I think we got ran over. Yeah, there we go. Wheelie! Wheelie! Well, it's a max wheelie. There we go. Let me drive it now. Some. What? Can I drive it some? Hold on. Let me do something real quick. Stop doing wheelies. Here. Drive it. Okay. I'm recording. I don't know if I'm on the thing. Hold up. Okay. I'm on it. What are you trying to do? Oh. I don't know if I can. What? Oh! Whoa! I didn't even see it. Jeez. Calm down, Seth. Really, Seth? Wait, let me drive it. Record. Let me get out of this. Are you recording? I'm recording. No, you're not. You're just facing the thing. Woohoo! Maximum accuracy! Why aren't you doing wheelies? Wheelie! The wheels are screwed up. What should we name this vehicle? Chicken. Why? 'Cause chicken's tasty. Huh? 'Cause chicken's tasty. Calling this truck tasty. You're weird. The truck's not tasty. Chicken's tasty. I know, but I said what should you name this? What should we name this truck? I don't know. Killer. Okay. No, I'm gonna name it Gunner. Sounds like a gun. Yeah, I think you got some loose wires there. I know, but look, listen. That's not doing anything. See? Okay, let me drop some. I just got it. No, you didn't. Well, I just got it like 4 minutes ago. Yeah. Deep there. Deep there.
even look at. Are you even recording still?
Yeah.
And it.
This is recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Get on the view. Look at me. Hold up. Put the camera on me. It's a magical gun. It shoots real bullets. Okay.
What?
You're gonna get one more right, and then we're ending it. Okay?
Okay.
There we go. That's better. Well, it's dead. I think.
Yep. That's the end of that.
Okay.